bus was giving some visitors a tour of the island of Sodor. It was their last afternoon, and Edward was preparing to take them to meet Bill and Ben. He found it hard to start the heavy train. "Did you see him straining?" asked Henry. "Positively painful," remarked James. "Just pathetic," grunted Gordon. "He should give up and be preserved before it's too late." "Shut up," burst out Duck. "You're all jealous."
There's Toby. There's Thomas. And there's Percy. Off they go. Behold, the animals of magic powers.
On the way, the weather changed. Wind and rain buffeted him. His sanding gear failed, and his fireman rode in front, dropping sand on the rails by hand. Suddenly, Edward's wheels slipped fiercely. With a shrieking crack, something broke.
Hang on. We're about to get some help from Sonic and Tails.
That will be much easier. "Come on," he puffed, and moved cautiously forward. The first coach moving helped to start the second, and the second helped the third. I've done it, puffed Edward. "Steady, boy," warned his driver. "Well done, boy. You've got them. And he listened happily to Edward's steady beat as he forged slowly but surely ahead. At last, battered, weary, but unbeaten, Edward steamed in.
Now that's what I call an adventure.
Duck and Boko saw to it that Edward was left in peace. Gordon and James remained respectfully silent.